Take a slow, steady breath in and release it gently. Again, inhale calmly and exhale fully. Allow your body to relax. Allow your breath to settle. Allow your awareness to become steady and attentive. Monetary stewardship is not a restriction. It is respect. It is the calm, intentional care of resources. In a moment, I will count down from 10 to 1. With each number, you will enter a composed, responsible state, where clarity replaces anxiety, order replaces confusion, and stewardship becomes natural. Let us begin. 10. Breathing slows. 9. The body relaxes. 8. Tension releases. 7. Thoughts organize. 6. Awareness turns inward. 5. Halfway now. Calm and grounded. 4. The body feels supported. 3. Focus steadies. 2. Confidence settles. 1. You enter composed financial awareness. In this calm state, bring gentle attention to money and resources. Not fear, not attachment, but respect. You recognize money as a tool, meant to be handled thoughtfully. Respect creates clarity. Now repeat inwardly. I respect my resources. Money is a tool, not a burden. Care creates order. Now imagine seeing your finances clearly. Income, expenses, obligations, plans. Nothing hidden, nothing avoided. Clarity restores control. So repeat softly. I see my finances clearly. Transparency brings calm. Order replaces confusion. Now feel responsibility settle in. Not pressure, ownership. You manage deliberately. You track wisely. You plan ahead. Responsibility feels empowering. Repeat inwardly. I manage resources responsibly. I plan with intention. Stewardship strengthens stability. Now imagine balance forming, spending aligned with values, saving with purpose, giving thoughtfully. Your priorities are clear. Your choices reflect intention. Balance sustains prosperity. Repeat slowly. My spending reflects my values. Balance guides my choices. I steward wisely. Now imagine time expanding. You think beyond today, beyond urgency. You prepare. You build reserves. You protect what matters. Stewardship looks ahead calmly. So repeat gently. I care for the future. Long-term thinking guides me. Preparation creates peace. Now feel alignment with integrity. Money used responsibly. Resources directed wisely. You feel good about how money moves. Through your hands. Ethical use builds trust. So repeat inwardly. I use money with integrity. My choices are conscious. Stewardship reflects my values. Now allow these truths to settle deeply. I am a capable steward of my resources. Clarity and responsibility guide my finances. Stewardship creates stability and peace. These beliefs become familiar, grounded, supportive. In a moment, I will count from 1 to 10. With each number, you will return gently, clear, confident, and responsible. 1. Awareness begins to rise. 2. Breath deepens. 3. Gentle energy returns. 4. The body feels present. 5. Balanced and calm. 6. Awareness expands outward. 7. You feel composed and capable. 8. Eyes feel lighter. 9. Take a deep breath in and out. 10. Eyes open, fully awake, clear, grounded, carrying monetary stewardship into daily life.